Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS4 error code SU-30746-0, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're simply going to turn your PS4 off. Now once you turn the PS4 off, you're going to put your PS4 into safe mode, and if you do not know how to do that, do not worry, I'll show you in this video. What you're basically going to do is first you're going to wait for this blinking white light to completely shut off. Might take some time, like 10 to 30 seconds. But anyways, once it is turned off, what you're simply going to do is you're going to hold on the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Once you hear the second beep, oh, not that one, that was just a glitch. I don't know why my PS4 has been bugging out, but there we go. That's the first beep. And that's the second beep. Now, once you hear the second beep, you can let go. And another thing to keep in mind is that you will need a USB charger, USB cable, just for your PS4 controller. And this will not work without that, so just something to keep in mind. And once the screen finally pops up, you're going to hold on the power button. Now what you're going to do is first you're going to do update system software, and you're going to do update using internet. And if you have a storage device, you can do it with that. It doesn't really matter, but you're just going to do one of these 3 options. However, if this does not work, the second method you guys are going to do is you're going to do the whole process again of getting into safe mode, and then you're going to go to rebuild database, and you're simply going to hit OK. Now, once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go, and the error code should be be gone. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.